Are you looking to create a stunning living room and dining room combo that blends style and functionality? Whether you're working with a small space or a spacious open floor plan, the right design can seamlessly unite these two important areas of your home. In this video, we'll explore stylish layout ideas that will help you make the most of your living-dining combo. Start with choosing cohesive furniture. Opt for pieces that complement each other in both style and scale. Sofas, dining chairs, and tables should share a similar color palette or material, which creates a sense of harmony between the two spaces. Consider low-back sofas and open-leg chairs to keep the space visually light. Rugs are a fantastic way to define each space without the need for walls. Place a large area rug under the living room seating to anchor the space, and another under the dining table to create a clear distinction. Choose rugs with complementary patterns and colors for a cohesive look. A unified color scheme can tie the two areas together beautifully. Stick to neutral tones for the walls and larger furniture, and then add pops of color through accents like throw pillows, artwork, or dining chair cushions. This will create a smooth flow between the living and dining spaces while still allowing each to shine. Lighting is key in creating separate zones in your living room-dining room combo. Use a statement chandelier or pendant light over the dining table and softer, more ambient lighting like floor lamps or sconces for the living room. Layered lighting not only defines the spaces, but also adds warmth and sophistication. Furniture placement is crucial in an open concept layout. Place the sofa in a way that it naturally divides the living area from the dining area, or consider using a console table or shelving unit as a subtle divider. Ensure that there's a comfortable flow between the two spaces for easy movement. In smaller spaces, multifunctional furniture is a must. Choose a dining table that can double as a workspace, or invest in an extendable table for when you have guests. Ottomans and benches can be used as extra seating for both the living and dining areas. Don't forget to add personal touches to both areas. Use decor like plants, artwork, and statement mirrors to bring character and personality into the space. Just be mindful of keeping the decor cohesive across the two areas to avoid visual clutter. With the right layout and design choices, your living room and dining room combo can become a functional and stylish space that flows beautifully. From cohesive furniture and rugs to smart lighting and multifunctional pieces, these tips will help you create a unified look while maximizing comfort and practicality. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor and design ideas. Let us know in the comments below how you plan to design your living dining combo.